The Glow Recipe, the Glow Library Vault Set for 2024 is available now. This box is $248.40 and includes 8 Glow Giving best-selling products from Glow Recipe. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Co-founded by skincare specialists Sarah Lee and Christine Chang, who share over 20 years of experience in the global beauty industry. Glow Recipe is built from a passion and commitment to demystify the recipe to healthy skin. The brand pairs antioxidant-rich fruit with gentle yet powerful actives, creating skincare saviors for our complexions over changing needs. Make room in your bathroom cabinet for the ultimate Glow Recipe Vault, an 8-piece set brimming with skin-saving treasures, starring sought-after staples from gentle cleansers to hydrating serums. The Glow Recipe Vault allows you to unlock the glowing complexion you've always wanted. 8 bestsellers packed with so much skin-loving goodness. Where to start? There's the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser with a proprietary blend of skin-supporting ceramides and pre- and postbiotics and 2 toners. The Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner and the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, brimming with brightening benefits. And how could you not love the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, featuring a skin strobing formula which reveals a lit from within look. With so many skin loving staples, this is your dream regime sorted. The kit will include an Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser, 150 milliliters, a Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner, 150 milliliters, Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, 75 milliliters, Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream, 15 milliliters, Strawberry Smooth BHA plus AHA Salicylic Acid Serum, 30 milliliters, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, 40 milliliters, Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream, 50 milliliters, Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum, 30 milliliters. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. The dewdrops, I absolutely love. It's a staple in my collection. I hope that you guys are having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.